The next step is to fill out the command or feedback information screen. Under this page, most of the fields will be filled out properly if you fully and correctly filled out the amplifier page and the motor page. If not, make sure to double check the fields to be sure that they correlate correctly with the information entered on the previous two pages. Generally, for DC brush motors and an amplifier that is directly connected to PMAX access interface, that is, it is not connected through a field bus like macro, you will use the following settings. For control type, you will use torque. Signal type, you will use analog. Typically for DC brush motors, we have a quadrature encoder as the primary feedback, and you can select a dual feedback if you have that in your system. This is only if you have two encoders on your axis, typically one on the motor and one on the load. In my case, however, I only have one encoder on the motor, so I'll leave dual feedback set to false. Click Accept once you're finished, and then click the next arrow.